Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word renovated. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The old house was completely renovated with new paint, flooring, and fixtures throughout. Renovated means to restore or improve something, often a building or space, by making significant changes or updates to enhance its appearance or functionality. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.